Hey guys, it's me, your boy Narek, and you can see my fingers all in paint. So last week I've done so many art things, and today we're going to experiment again. This is my first artwork of a week. Yes, shall we start? Let me tell what we are going to do. Yes, I forgot to tell you. As you can see, my camera position got changed. So let me know in comments what do you think. Maybe you want to see my face as well when I'm doing these videos for you guys. Let me know please, because it's really important to have feedback, and I just started my channel, so there is probably just a few people who are watching my videos, so yes. Okay, so what we are going to do today, we're going to do split cup. I've tried only one time this technique. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places, like 5 different cups. I don't know how to explain. My English is the end of the day. It's in the evening here in Bangkok, so my English is not that good. So you can see here 5, and then I have 5 colors. So we are going to put each color in one without any silicone oil, and we're going to pour. This is my second time doing pouring, like pouring. Yeah. And what's today's message, guys? Today's message is let it go. It's so interesting. I never think about the message till I take the pen to write down, and it came in my mind, and I'm going to let it go. So today is 12th of March 23, and we are linked art. Yes, so the day message is let it go. So let's start. This is going to be so easy. Just I need to understand the colors. Probably I want to black in the middle for sure. I want the darker color to be in the middle. I don't know, to be honest, how much paint to use, so I will use my all flip cup, all the split cup, and then I will use probably the sides. I will use the sides. And gold. So interesting, it's so random, guys. I never think before I push the record button what I'm going to do. I just prepare, I see the exposition, everything stays in right position, and then I hope it's ready. It's enough. Yes. And then just white one. Okay. Full cups of colors, you can see here. It's so interesting because now my phone is there. Actually, I cannot see what I'm showing you till I will finish recording. So shall we start? Guys, one time I've tried and I've learned that when you pour, it's so interesting that you go a bit slower and you don't move your hands. So I will try to not move your hands to see what is happening. And I want to start from here and go from here, probably, yeah? Or I will start to stay in the middle, just start in the middle. It's harder than I thought. And here. Try to open one side, open the other side. spin later probably. Just going to put chaotic. So I want to have here a pattern and the sides. It's paint. Not necessarily the best one, but not necessarily the best one here. But I can remove. Look. Yes, that's my boy. I really love the color. Ah. I just don't think that here it's good. Just really want to get rid of these colors. Yes, please. But I don't want a U-bow. I want just this part. I really don't like the chaotic here. Oh, maybe I can keep this chaotic side as well. Then I need to open up. Yes, but I need more. I need way more. So sorry guys, my dog been naughty. You can hear my dog. Yeah, and I really want to. Black, a little bit deeper. Yes, this is closing and this is opening. That's what I want. You see, this part, guys, and this part. I want them to be a bit different. Yes. Stripes. Oh, I loved it. Love. So guys, as peace, sending you love, and I will take my phone now. I wash my hands. I will take my phone and I will show you.